Right, welcome back to Dale Kramer's Custom Cars and Anything. Well, anyway, I got that all painted now. I just wanted to show you what it all looked like. The gusset I put in there. Put a gusset in right there. And I weld that in all the way around. Welded that around. Oh, got my finger full of black paint now. So I got it all painted up black. So I use implement paint because that's epoxy basically. When it's dry, it's resists gas and everything. So yeah, anyway, okay, so you guys can see the finished product. You were with me on the first misery. Yeah, well, everybody take care. Please like and subscribe, and have a good day. Bye bye.